If I told you that you could build a YouTube channel in the United States market without filming, without scripting from scratch, and without spending hours researching, would you believe me? What if you could study any successful YouTube channel, understand exactly how it works, and then create similar high-performing videos on autopilot using AI? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clone any YouTube channel with AI using a powerful free tool called NotebookLM. And the best part, you can do this completely free. Now, before we begin, let me make one thing clear. We are not stealing content. We are not copying videos. We are studying successful channels, understanding their niche, tone, format, and strategy, and then creating original content inspired by proven frameworks. That is how smart creators grow fast. Let's get started. First, open NotebookLM in your browser. Once you're on the home page, click on Create New. This will open a fresh notebook where we're going to feed it data from the YouTube channel we want to replicate. Now, here's the strategy. Instead of manually analyzing dozens of videos, we are going to let AI do the heavy lifting. But for that, we need the URLs of at least 10 videos from the channel we want to study. To make this fast and effortless, we're going to use a Google Chrome extension called Grab-it. What this extension does is incredibly powerful. It allows you to copy multiple video URLs in one go instead of opening each video individually. Go to the Chrome Web Store and install Grab-it. Once installed, pin it to your browser toolbar so it's easily accessible. After installing, click on the extension icon and go to More Settings. Scroll down and click on Add New Action. Now we're going to configure it properly. Under Mouse button, choose Left Click. Under Key, select the Alt key. Choose any color you like. This is just for visibility. Now here comes the most important part. Under Action, choose Copy URLs to Clipboard. Leave the advanced options exactly as they are. Do not change anything there. Then click Save. Now your action is ready. Next, open the YouTube channel you want to replicate. In my case, I'm opening a channel in the US market that is performing extremely well in its niche. Make sure all the videos on the page are fully loaded. Scroll down so more videos appear. Once everything is visible, simply press Alt and left-click on the videos. Just like that, all the URLs will be copied to your clipboard in seconds. Now go back to NotebookLM. Click on Add Resources, choose Websites, paste all the copied URLs, and click Insert. NotebookLM will now process all these sources. What it's doing in the background is analyzing titles, descriptions, structure, and patterns. Now click on Chat inside the notebook and type this prompt. I want to clone a channel like this. Go through these sources and understand the niche, script style, title format, hook strategy, and tone. Let it analyze. Within seconds, it will break down the channel's niche, its content angle, its pacing style, its target audience, and even how the titles are structured. This is like having a YouTube strategist working for you. Now, in the same chat, ask this. Give me 2-word channel name ideas for a channel like this. Give me 10 ideas. It will generate 10 unique 2-word channel name ideas that fit the niche perfectly. Pick the one you like the most. Once you finalize your channel name, continue in the same chat. Generate 10 video ideas for this channel with a short overview for each. Now you will see something amazing. It gives you 10 fully structured video ideas, each with a brief explanation of what the video should cover. This is where automation begins. Copy one of the video ideas, then click Create New Notebook, choose Copied Text, and paste it there. Click Insert. On the right-hand side, you will see an option called Video Overview. Click on it. NotebookLM will now generate a structured video outline. In many cases, it even creates a near-ready script that you can directly use in text-to-speech software. While the first video is generating, go back and take the second idea. Create another new notebook, paste it, click Video Overview. This way, you're creating multiple videos in parallel. On the free plan, you can create up to 3 videos per day. If you want to scale further, you can use multiple Google accounts. Now, imagine this. Every single day, you generate 3 high-quality, niche-focused, strategically structured videos without writing everything manually. Let's preview the first video.
You know how some of those small, annoying struggles just keep popping up in your life over and over again? Well, we've gone through the Stick Figure Mentor channel and basically pulled together all the core principles into one single framework to help you finally get a handle on them. Let's get into it. Oh, that feeling. That groggy, fuzzy-headed feeling. You think you're buying yourself a few extra minutes of glorious sleep, but what you're actually doing is sabotaging your focus for, like, the next 4 hours.
As you can see, it has a clear hook, main body content, and a strong conclusion. The structure mirrors what successful channels are already doing. Now let's preview the second video.
All right, let's dive into something that, let's be honest, affects so many of us: social anxiety. But we're not just going to talk about it today. We're going to look at a really powerful, super practical way to actually rewire our brains to build real, effortless confidence in pretty much any social situation.
Again, structured, engaging, and aligned with the niche tone. And here's something powerful. NotebookLM doesn't just generate video scripts, it can also generate infographics, slides, flashcards, quizzes, and summaries. You're getting all of this for free. No extra credits, no hidden charges. But remember something very important. YouTube success is not just about uploading videos, it's about packaging. There are 2 critical elements that decide whether your video gets clicks or not: title and thumbnail. Let's talk about the title first. Go back to your original NotebookLM chat where we analyzed the channel. Ask this: generate 10 click-worthy titles for this video idea in the style of this niche. It will give you multiple options optimized for curiosity, emotion, and engagement. Choose the one that feels the most relatable and powerful. Now let's move to thumbnails. Open Canva, click on Presentation. Make sure the ratio is 16:9. That is the standard YouTube thumbnail size. Go to Text and add bold, large, high-contrast words. Keep it simple, 3 to 5 words maximum. Then go to Elements and search for stick figures or visual graphics related to your theme. If your video is about money, search Money Stick Figure. If it's about productivity, search Productivity Illustration. Pick a clean and relevant element. Place it strategically. Make sure the background contrasts with your text so it pops. Do not overcrowd the thumbnail. Simplicity wins. Now your thumbnail is ready. Now imagine doing this across multiple niches. One channel for motivation, one for finance, one for tech, one for storytelling, all running with AI assistance. This is the future of content creation. If you found this method powerful, make sure you implement it today. Do not just watch, take action. And if you got confused at any step, ask me in the comments section. I will personally guide you. Thank you for watching. Keep creating, keep building, and I will see you in the next video.